Thank you for visiting Excelbuddy.com. In this example, we're going to show you how to insert a picture into a cell and have that cell linked to the corresponding row. And what I mean is, as we sort the column here by NFL team, the logos are going to be able to sort along with it. As you see in this example, when I did an initial sort, all the logos are still showing even though we performed a sort. So let me show you first how to actually insert a picture into a cell, and we'll go from there. So first, start off with the list and make sure that you size your rows to the correct height that you want for your images. Next, we got to insert an actual image. So we've got to insert pictures. Here I have a bunch of NFL logos that we're going to use. We're going to insert the picture. Alright, now obviously it's too large, so what we want to do is hold Shift and resize. If we also hold Alt, it'll snap to either side of the cell, and you can make micro adjustments based on where you want the actual logo. Here I have them all relatively centered. So again, if I go and sort, I'm going to pick the Browns, Green Bay, and the Lions. I run into an issue with the logos. Now in order to fix that, we have to right-click on the initial logo, go to Format Picture, and it brings up your Format Picture slide out here. So you go to Properties, Move and Size with Cells. Go to the Cowboys, Move and Size with Cells. Move and Size with Cells. You get the picture. Once you have made move and size with cells for each of the individual logos that you want to sort, you can now sort by the ones that you want to actually show, which is really, to me, it's a very neat feature that you can do in Excel. If you have any other questions, visit Excelbuddy.com, and thanks a lot.